The Canon error code 5200 indicates a problem with an ink cartridge, often appearing when using a model with only the black cartridge's ink or when the black cartridge is empty. Several factors can cause this error, including a malfunctioning cartridge, low or empty cartridges, and improper cartridge installation. To resolve the issue, try a basic power cycle by pressing and holding the power button to turn off the printer. Then unplugging the power source, waiting briefly, and plugging it back in to switch it on again. Next, check your ink cartridges to determine their ink levels, either by checking the printer hardware or using the relevant software on your computer. And replace any low-performing cartridges with new ones. If the issue persists, try restarting the printer by turning it off, holding down the stop button for 2 to 3 seconds, then holding down the on button while releasing the stop button, and clicking the stop button 5 times. After releasing all buttons, the printer's screen will go blank, and you can try switching it off and on again to resolve the error.